Okay, now what happens? Consider a situation. Okay, they will ask you for a skill, like for example, SQL. Now, I don't know about SQL, right? So will I straightforward say no, that I don't know about SQL, or will I lie and tell that yes, I know about SQL? So what can happen next? I will ask my colleague to kindly share this video. Due to some reasons, we cannot have the sound. So, yeah. Yeah. So at this point, what should we do? We should just tell them that yes, we should just be very clear and tell them that I don't know the technical knowledge, but I'm very keen on learning. I will do certain certifications, or if the job role requires me to be very pro in this particular skill, I will definitely learn. So please play the video.